Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Carson here at Tacoma Lifestyle. Today we are in the shop and we are going to be installing the all-new AlphaRex LUXX-Series Tail Lights for the 2nd gen Tacoma. So these are compatible for all 2005 to 2015 Tacomas. These are offered in 3 different colors, the Alpha Black, Smoked Red, and the normal Jet Black, and today we will be installing the Alpha Black on this Tacoma. As all Tacoma tail lights are, Toyota has made it super easy to do this install. So first, all you're gonna start with doing, you'll need a 10mm, and you're just gonna remove this upper bolt and this bottom bolt. All right, now you have taken off both of these bolts. You're just gonna grab right here in this back part of the light, and there's 2 pins that connect it. All you're gonna do is just pull straight back and it'll pop right out of place just like that. Now it is time to put in your new tail light. So something that AlphaRex did that is extremely nice and convenient with the LUXX version is they did all LED bulbs in it. So with that, you will only need to plug 1 plug in because everything is connected to this 1 plug because all the bulbs are already in here and installed. So that makes the install of this extremely easy. So all you're gonna do is grab this one right here and you're just gonna pull this plug out just like that. And you're gonna grab your new tail light. And these are completely plug and play, so they will snap right into place, and it is already time to put it back in. And before we screw everything back in, we'll turn on the ignition just to make sure that everything is working properly. Something that's also really cool about the LUXX-Series tail lights is it does have a startup sequence, so it'll kind of dance when you turn it on. We'll start with the hazards to show how the blinkers look. Looks great. Now we will throw on the parking. As you can see, that light output is awesome on the LUXX series. All right, and now let's try out the reverse light. There's the reverse. All right, everything is working properly. Let's go ahead and throw in those 2 bolts. All right, and now that we see everything was working properly, it is time to throw in those 2 bolts. So again, you'll just start with putting in this top one. All right, and that is it. The install is super easy on this. So now that we've installed the driver's side, the passenger side will be the exact same steps. If you guys want to grab a pair of these, you can head straight to the link that we'll put in the description below. These are a brand new product, so they will move quickly. We just got a huge pallet of them, so if you want to grab a pair, right now is the time. Also, thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate it. For all future videos, we'd love if you would throw some suggestions or videos or content that you want to see from us. If you could throw it in the comments below, that would be extremely helpful. Make sure to hit subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video and enjoy our content. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.